Hello everyone. 2020 has started out as a difficult year for all of us. The COVID-19 outbreak has dramatically changed the world, and Singapore has not been spared. Our economy has been battled, and the resilience of our society is being tested. The fact that I'm sharing GovTech's 2020 plans via a video instead of in person at our annual industry briefing is a reflection of how life as we knew it has changed and how we all have to do things differently. As we embrace the new ways of doing things, new possibilities have emerged. Across Singapore, companies that did not imagine remote work was possible are now operating with majority of their workers telecommuting. The use of digital collaboration tools have skyrocketed. Our workforce and even our seniors are now experts in conducting meetings via Zoom, WebEx, and Skype. More SMEs are going digital, and more businesses have shifted to online ordering and delivery as their primary business. A recent McKinsey study said that we have leaped 5 years forward in consumer and business digital adoption in a matter of 8 weeks. Many say we are in the new normal, but I would like to think we are in the new possible. Today's circumstances have created new digitalization possibilities in the way we live, work, and transact. It is testimony to the ingenuity and the adaptability of our people. So, we want to hem in these new possibilities to create a more digitally empowered nation and redefine the future of government operations and services in Singapore. To achieve this new possible, we will accelerate our digitalization plans by re-engineering the Government Operating System, or GOS in short. As techies would know, the operating system is the interface between the end user and the hardware. It is the most important software that runs on a computer that manages the memory and processors. The OS allows you to communicate with other computers. Without an OS, a computer is useless. Re-engineering GOS will require us to do 3 things. First, we need to modernize the kernel of the OS, the backend of the government core systems, comprising our application systems and infrastructure in 3 broad areas. 1, we will increase the number of systems on the government commercial cloud. Over 110 systems have been migrated to GCC since we announced the cloud-first strategy in October 2018. We will double the number of systems on GCC this year as we re-platform existing systems and build new application systems. Over 870 million of contracts have been earmarked to support this effort. 2, we will increase the use of data analytics, AI, and sensors to deliver better government services. Over 710 million of ICT projects will involve the use of these technologies. For example, NEA will build a hawker management system that applies data analytics to support on-the-ground operations and help storeholders transact seamlessly. We in GovTech have deployed Vigilant Gantry, an AI-driven video analytics solution to enable automatic temperature scanning at community isolation facilities and government buildings. 3, to support the increased use of cloud services and the demand for more processing capability, we will upgrade our government infrastructure. We will spend 300 million to design, implement, and operate our new software-defined government network to provide cost-effective and reliable connectivity to government agencies. Another 300 million will be invested to strengthen the government's cybersecurity posture with automated system reviews, cybersecurity monitoring, and digital forensics capabilities. Second, re-engineering GOS will require us to humanize the front-end user space, the part of the OS where users interact with the systems. This is equivalent to the digital shopfront of the government where you, as citizens and businesses, interact with us for information and services. We have made good progress in making our government digital services more user-centric. Citizens and businesses' satisfaction with government digital services have improved by 8 percentage points in 2019 to reach 86% and 77% respectively, which are at an all-time high since 2012. You will see us making an even bigger push in humanizing our front end as more service journey projects transit from design and development to MVPs. Over 118 million of contracts are dedicated to develop better citizen and business-facing applications. We will evolve the current moments of life into a truly go-to app for all things related to the government in a citizen's life in SG. It will be human-centered, service journey-based, and personalized. Go Business will be our key platform to transform business interactions with government. We will launch more services to help companies in their journey of starting a business, growing a business, and applying for a license. We will introduce more SingPass-enabled digital services. We currently have over 1.5 million users on SingPass Mobile. 1 in 3 SingPass transactions is completed through SingPass Mobile. Now, I hope many of you are now using SingPass Mobile for safe entry check-in. With your convenience and assurance in mind, we will launch more SingPass-enabled services in the coming months, including the use of biometrics for login and digital signing. Finally, Reengineering GOS is about engaging the wider ecosystem and community. Good programmers don't just perfect the engineering code in the bunker. They iterate and improve their ideas by engaging with partners. We had to postpone our second edition of Stack, originally scheduled in April because of COVID-19. But we have not slackened on our engagement with the developer community. Our StackX series of meetups on topics ranging from engineering practices to product sharing are now done through webinars. And in May, we conducted a COVID-19 idea sprint that had over 300 participants contributing ideas and building prototypes for COVID-19 related problem statements. To strengthen our engagement, we have set up a new developer portal. This is a centralized resource to help industry and developers learn more about our tech products. Developers will be able to find key information of product features, use cases, and technical specifications to co-create solutions with us. Over time, more features will be added to allow developers to offer their services, and the portal will serve as a gateway to the government's developers' environment. In total, we will award over $3.5 billion in contracts in FY 2020 to support our plans to re-engineer GOS. This is a 30% increase from FY 2019 projected spend. SMEs will be eligible to participate in 80% of these procurement opportunities. For us to re-engineer GOS, we will need to deepen our engineering capabilities. Today, we have an engineering workforce of over 2,200. We are stepping up our recruitment efforts. Even during COVID-19, we have over 400 active vacancies for software engineers, cybersecurity specialists, data scientists, business analysts, and infrastructure specialists. Over 5 tech hunts in June, we have engaged more than 600 talents in Singapore to fill these roles. Having said that, you don't have to join GovTech to be involved with us. You can sign up as our Smart Nation ambassadors. Join our growing community of over 1,600 volunteers in our Digital for Good programs to help fellow citizens become more proficient with digital tools. You can also join us as Tech Kakis to help improve our products to make them better for users. We value your contributions in any form as we build a smart nation together. COVID-19 is a defining challenge for us. It is a public health crisis, an economic shock, and a social test. It will challenge our resilience as individuals and as a society. How Singapore manages this and where we emerge stronger from this will define us as a people and as a nation. By humanizing the front end, engaging the community, and modernizing the back end, we will re-engineer the government OS to to hem in the new possible and create better services for citizens and businesses. As I often share with my colleagues, GovTech's purpose in engineering digital government so as to make lives better and in fact, make lives safer during this COVID-19 has never been stronger. We will strive to deliver for you, our partners, our citizens, our businesses, and weather this storm together. Stay safe, take care, and I hope I can see you all in person at GovTech Industry Briefing 2021. Thank you.